Hello, today we are going to learn deep learning in machine learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to simulate the human brain. It is used to develop complex models and algorithms that can recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. Deep learning has revolutionized fields such as image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. Neural networks are the building blocks of deep learning. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes that process and learn from data. There are three main types of layers in a neural network: input, hidden, and output layers. Backpropagation is a key algorithm used in training neural networks. It involves calculating the error between the predicted output and the actual output. The error is then propagated back through the network to adjust the weights of the connections between the neurons. Convolutional neural networks (CNNs) are a type of neural network that are particularly well suited for image and video analysis. They use a series of convolutional layers to extract features from the input data. CNNs have been used for tasks such as object detection, facial recognition, and image captioning. Recurrent neural networks (RNNs) are a type of neural network that are particularly well suited for sequence data, such as text or speech. They use feedback connections to allow information to persist over time. RNNs have been used for tasks such as language translation, speech recognition, and music generation.
Generative adversarial networks (GANs) are a type of neural network that can generate new data. They consist of two networks: a generator network that creates new samples, and a discriminator network that evaluates whether the samples are real or fake.
GANs have been used for tasks such as image synthesis, video prediction, and text generation. Transfer learning is a technique that involves reusing pre-trained neural networks for new tasks. By using a pre-trained network as a starting point, it is possible to train a new network with less data and in less time. Transfer learning has been used for tasks such as image classification, speech recognition, and natural language processing. Deep reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that involves training an agent to interact with an environment in order to maximize a reward signal. It combines deep learning with reinforcement learning, a technique used in artificial intelligence. Deep reinforcement learning has been used for tasks such as game playing, robotics, and autonomous driving. Deep learning requires large amounts of data to be effective. It can be computationally expensive and time-consuming to train large neural networks. Deep learning models can be black boxes, making it difficult to understand how they make decisions. Deep learning is expected to continue to advance and be applied to new fields. Some areas of potential growth include healthcare, finance, and education. There is also ongoing research into making deep learning models more interpretable and transparent. Deep learning has the potential to be used for both good and bad purposes. There are concerns about the use of deep learning in areas such as surveillance, facial recognition, and autonomous weapons. It is important to consider the ethical implications of deep learning and to ensure that it is used responsibly. Deep learning is a powerful tool that has revolutionized many fields. It has enabled us to develop complex models and algorithms that can recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. As we continue to advance deep learning, it is important to consider its limitations and ethical implications. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for our next part.